Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Thought Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna fix this issue of Windows 10, which is an store error where Microsoft Store apps are not working in Windows 10. So we can fix this issue by itself on Windows 10. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the search bar you have to type WS reset. Now you have to run the WS reset, and afterward, once the WS reset would take place, you need to restart your PC. So this was the first fix. If this method doesn't work, then we have to skip on to the second method, which was like this. You have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu, on the search bar, you have to type PowerShell, PowerShell. Now you have to right click on this, then afterward you have to run it as an administrator. Now you have to give access by clicking on yes. Now what you need to do is that you have to copy the text from the description where I have given some text. You just need to copy all the text from there. Then afterward you have to click on the taskbar over here, right click on this, then afterward you have to click on edit. Now you have to click on paste. Now the package registration will take place. Once it is done, you just need to type exit. Then you have to cross all the tabs. Then afterward you have to restart your PC and see that your problem would definitely be eradicated. So this was the fix. You just need to follow it very carefully. If this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If the problem still exists, you can leave your comment in the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 20 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.